Jatend Migao mar weche somo Julius Ogamba osingoni onge fuok manyalo biro miyo penj mar KCSE ma higa 2024 njaore. Ogamba ne olero ni okang' oketi mong'ith kama oting'o nyaka rita malong'o mar neno ni penj no otim kaka dwarore. Ogamba mane twake kar dak ma Kibra ne owacho ni okang' mager mar kum ibiro kaw ne jogo mageto kwalo penj no maonge dewo wang'. Sechego bende ne olero ni alwora moko ma pacho kama osebedo kod rach mar arita kaka hoho mar okak kod kadho wadnam chumbi. Piny owacho oseketo chenro mar neno ni jopuonjre otimo penj maonge ng'ikruok. Higa ne jopuonjre maromo 965,501 geno ni dhi timo penj mar KCSE.
The administration of the 2024 examinations will be conducted under a multi-agency approach involving the Ministry of Interior and National Administration, the Ministry of Education, the Ministry of ICT and Teacher Service Commission. All the personnel involved in the examination processes were well briefed on their roles and are ready for the exercise. To enhance the credibility of the 2024 Kenya secondary examination this year, several innovations have been introduced by NEC that include: 1, the distinct strapping of cartons containing examination materials for morning and afternoon with different colors. You've actually just ensured you've seen that right now. One is blue and one is black. Personalization of the KCSE examination question papers. Securing of all mobile phones in examination centers when the examination is in progress. The phones shall be in a lockable desk outside the examination rooms, and the supervisor will be the custodian of the key. The phones include those of the center managers, the supervisors, the invigilators, the deputy center managers, and any other person within the examination area and its precincts. I particularly wish to reiterate that the use of mobile phones in any examination center when papers are in progress is prohibited, and this must be adhered to without any exception.